Beethoven Sonatina in G major has 2 movements. We'll talk about this in 2 separate videos. In this video, we will only focus on the first movement, Moderato, right? Yes. Before learning a new piece, you need to understand its structure, key signature, and all other details. Check out this video to see the reason why. Sonatina means mini sonata, which still follows the sonata form. What is the structure of this piece? In this movement, we have A, B, A, and coda, 4 sections. Oh, those are the measure numbers. I need to mark them down. What is the key signature of this piece? My dear student, put on your glasses. Oops, what's the title of this piece? Sonatina in G major. What is the key signature in G major? 1 F sharp, of course. Make sure to sharp every F note in the piece. I see. Now we can start learning the details. Number 1 important thing before you playing the music is to mark your fingerings. Especially for those difficult passages, you have to keep the consistency. Play every time with the same fingerings. Grease notes in the piece is like decorations in the house. You want to play them beautifully. Like this? No, we want to play the grease note on the beat with left hand together and play it quickly. Like this. Oh, I see. How to play these slurs? Like this. Almost correct. Your wrist should have down-up motion. The correct way is like this. And the second note should be played lightly. I normally sing the melody parts while playing to understand the phrase better. Is that correct? You're right. Very good. Singing the melody part while playing is very helpful. You will notice where you need to take a breath. That is the place to divide phrases. However, sometimes it's tricky to see the division. For instance, in the B section, the phrases are not divided by measures. It's divided in the middle of the measure. The correct way is like this. Thank you, it's very helpful. Let's keep learning. Okay. Please be careful the dynamic contrast here. The A section starts in piano, play softly. And when it returns on major 17, it marked piano as well, so play softly again. But the B section and coda are marked mezzo forte, which is the medium loud. It will sound more interesting if you can make more dynamic contrast.